Welcome to Not a Roofers podcast, where we discuss roofing
without all the jargon. I'm Brianna.
And I'm Charity.
And this is today's episode. Welcome back to another episode of Not a Roofers podcast. And today we will be discussing what a moisture scan is in relation to roofing.
And really, why you need to get it done before you decide to replace your roof.
That is a very good point. So, the definition of moisture scan is it's a noun and it is the use of a mechanical device to detect moisture within an assembly. That is kind of a vague definition if I've ever heard one. So let's get into it. What is a moisture scan?
Well, it is something that is done to determine if there is moisture in between your roof membranes, the deck of a roof, which could also show irregularities between the membranes if there's multiple membranes.
Yeah. So how a moisture scan works is areas with moisture cool at a slower rate than dry roofing material. And so there's this device that can be used. I mean, everyone's seen those thermal scanners, right? You know what I'm talking about? Where it scans a person's body temp or...
Yeah, some places are using them right now to scan body temps before you're allowed to enter a building.
Yeah, I think airports are doing it.
I don't know, the Children's Museum does it here, but that's so that they don't have to hold a thermometer up to everyone's head and then sanitize it. They can just have you stand in front of the thermal scanner.
Yeah, so it's like that, but for your roof. Anyway, so yes, thermo or moisture scans and the device that you need for it is expensive. So this is not like a go out and buy it yourself, because to be honest, if each individual person had one, you're not gonna make your money back on it, because you'll use it once, see what it is, and if you don't know anything about roofing, it's not gonna do you any good. So this is definitely something you need to consult a roofing contractor who has this to get it done.
And I don't know if all roofing contractors have it, but the difference between asking a roofing repair company versus a roof replacement company is the roof replacement company is just going to tell you need to tear off your roof. Whereas a roof repair company will come in with the infrared scanner, scan your roof, and try to see what is wrong with it to fix the specific issues.
Yeah, because with a thermoscan, it can help find the source of a leak. It can help find wet sections of your roof, and it can just help a contractor evaluate your roof. We talked about blister not too long ago. We were talking about the fact that the blisters can be filled with moisture because, maybe underneath the membrane it's still wet because the contractor didn't leave enough time for the roof to dry out. And so a moisture scan can allow for the roofing contractor to know in that instance if the roof is dry enough to put the material down, or if your roof is blistering, they can use the moisture scan to see exactly where the moisture and the problem is within your roof without having to tear up anything. So it actually helps make repairs and anything else done to your roof easier. So that is all I have. Anything else on your side, Charity?
No, I think we just need to come up with our definition for this one.
Perfect, because I do not like the actual definition that I found. So let's go. Moisture scan is the use of a device that allows for moisture within a roof system to be detected.
Not just moisture, though, but any abnormalities.
abnormalities that are connected with moisture being in the roofs, though. Because again,
You overcomplicate all of these definitions.
no, because it has to because areas with moisture cool at a slower rate and therefore the temperature is different. So maybe it's a mechanical device that or a device that detects different temperatures in a roofing system.
You can use the word moisture. You just use it like 5 times in the definition.
Got it. So our definition is a device that detects moisture within a roofing system as well as the abnormalities that go along with that. Something like that.
Yes. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for tuning in to our podcast. If you have any questions, please email us at marketing@roofmedics.com and we would love to answer those for you. Also, take a look at our social media accounts. Follow us, like us, share us. We'd appreciate it. Thanks.
And if you have come up with your own definitions, we'd love to hear those because let's be honest, we sometimes have a hard time coming up with them. So let us know what you think. Until next time, we will see you later.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. If you've been loving what you're hearing, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified anytime we post a new episode. Episodes come out on Monday and Fridays. Please feel free to share this podcast with a friend. We'd love everybody to be able to join us and learn more about the roofing industry as we go along on this journey. If you don't already, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. I will put all of our information down in the show notes below. Feel free to contact us with any questions or any roofing ideas that you would love for us to talk about. I hope you have a great day and we will see you next time.